Be ready? Start. Petitioner has also sought for a writ of mandamus or any other appropriate writ order or direction restraining the first respondent, its servants, agents, or officers, or anyone claiming through or under him by a permanent order of injunction from raiding or from seizing any equipment enlisted in annexure to the petition from the control rooms of the members and the like operators and or causing any obstruction and or interference or to take any steps to cause any obstruction and or interference in carrying out their regular business as lawful cable operators by receiving signals from satellite and in turn render services to its various members and TV set holders in any manner whatsoever. Stop stencha. Obviously, the petitioner is seeking a relief which otherwise largely could be claimed by it under Section 60 of the Copyright Act 1957, which provides that any person claiming to be the owner of copyright in any work by circulars, advertisements, or otherwise threatens any other person with any legal proceedings or liability in respect of an alleged infringement of the copyright, any person aggrieved thereby may institute a declaratory suit that the alleged infringement to which the threats related was not in fact an infringement of any legal rights of the person making such threats, and may also in any such suit obtain an injunction against the continuance of such threat and recover such damages if any as he has sustained by reason of such threats. Stop stencha. It is thus clear that by this writ petition the petitioner is seeking to enforce his civil rights, and therefore the present proceedings were in the nature of civil proceedings. Stop. Even the learned counsel for petitioner considered that it would not be possible for him to justify the nature of the present proceedings as criminal writ petition. Stop stencha. The question arises that though the present writ petition is of the nature of civil proceedings, the petitioner has filed the present writ petition as criminal writ petition, and in this view of the matter, after holding that the present criminal writ petition is not properly styled and maintainable as such, whether this criminal writ petition should be rejected as its threshold or not. Stop. The procedure is always handmaid of justice and not its master, and because of the mistake committed by the counsel in filing the present criminal writ petition, the litigant should not be allowed to suffer, and in our view, interest of justice would be met if the petitioner is permitted to convert this criminal writ petition as civil writ petition. Stop. Civil writ petition and place it before the appropriate bench for consideration. Order accordingly. Stop. Over.